All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Those of you guys that have been hating on geometry this year and missing algebra, welcome back. You got your wish. We're coming full circle here. We have a point C, and we have some line, and we know that CD is perpendicular to this line, okay? Well, I don't know a whole lot about that line, so let me solve it for y so I can understand what the slope and the intercept is. Subtract 2x. I get 3y equals negative 2x. This is a positive. Plus 8. I'm just writing it in mx plus b form. Remember that. Divide everything by 3, and you end up with y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8/3. What's 8/3? That's 2.6 repeating. I know the book would probably rather me work in fractions, but I just prefer decimals, so screw it. All right, so we got a y-intercept of 2.6, and we have a slope of negative 2/3. So rise over run, down 2 over 3. Be about there. I'm just giving a rough sketch. All right, we want the line that contains this point and is perpendicular to the blue line, 1, 4. So let's see, here's this point right here, okay? So our line is going to look something like that. Now, if the slope of this thing is negative 2/3, then what's the slope of the red line? Well, perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So this slope is positive 3/2. We also know that it contains the point 1, 4. Well, this is where point slope formula really comes in handy, but maybe you guys don't know that. So just write y equals mx plus b, and you know what y is 4, m is 3/2, x is 1. Let's figure out what b is. Okay, 4 minus 3/2. So b is 8. Let's see, 4 minus 3/2. 3 would be 5. B is 5/2. So b is 2.5. We know the slope, we know the y-intercept, so this line has an equation of y equals 3/2 x plus 2.5, or y equals 1.5 x plus 2.5. Finally, you could write it as y equals 3/2 x plus 5/2. All of the possible solutions. I hope this helps. Boom!